Almost every man dreams about lasting a little longer in bed in order to satisfy his partner. But it is sad to know that almost 40% of the men cannot fulfill this dream due to the problem of premature ejaculation. This makes both the partners sexually unsatisfied. But the good thing is that with the right treatment and a little knowledge, one can easily learn to last longer in bed. A word of advice. It will do wonders to your relationship if you take your partner into confidence and tell her about your premature ejaculation problem. This open communication will not only make your relationship stronger but help in reducing the recovery time. Try to make sex look longer. This can be achieved by indulging in a lot of foreplay, use of edibles like chocolate syrup, sex games, and sharing your sexual fantasies will not only help in having great sex but will also help in making your relation stronger than ever before. Stimulate her vital points. There are many points in a woman's body which when touched can instantly arouse sexual feelings in her. In fact, a woman can achieve a vaginal orgasm without even indulging in sexual intercourse. Some of these vital points include her neck, ears, back, navel, and inner thighs. Take it easy during intercourse. Once you are sure that she is lubricated and ready for sexual intercourse, you can start penetrating her, but keep in mind not to go very fast at it as it will cause premature climax and all fun will be spoiled. Control your breathing. This is a very important part where most men fail. If you are suffering from premature ejaculation, then most probably you are breathing too fast. Try to control your breathing by taking deep breaths. A good way to learn to control your breathing is through meditation, which helps in calming down your nerves and gain better control over your mind. Limit intake of alcohol. It has been noted that men who regularly consume alcohol or are addicted to smoking are highly prone to premature ejaculation problem. Hence it is advised to abstain from using such substances to improve your overall sexual life. Take help of natural herbs. There are many natural herbs which are helpful in overcoming the problem of premature ejaculation. Some of these herbs include Withania somnifera, tribulus, and cnidium. Most of these herbs act on the mind and, just like meditation, help in calming down the nerves, hence giving better control over the timing of ejaculation. The best thing about the use of herbal medicines is that they are free from any type of side effects, and more than 50% of world's population is still dependent on alternative form of treatment. Previously, the usage of herbs was mainly limited to Asian countries, but with the introduction of internet, people in the West have also come to know of the rich benefits of herbs in enhancing sexual powers. Which herbal medicine to buy for premature ejaculation? Although there are many herbal pills available in the market for treating premature ejaculation, but delay herbal pills are the ones which have the maximum number of positive consumer reviews, which affirms the fact that they are effective and helpful in making men last longer in bed. The best thing about this product is that the manufacturers are so confident of its success rate that they are giving free trial of the medicine and a 60-day money-back guarantee if it does not produce the desired results. So a little bit of changes in the way you approach sex and some help from these herbal formulations can easily help you in overcoming this problem of premature ejaculation.